sun is rising to meet the day. Um, yeah, I don't know if you can see it over the hills, it's just coming up, and I'm preparing myself to meet the day also. Um, yeah, meet the day fully, um, and I do that by taking a few minutes to provide a platform or space for my inner voice to come through. Um, so I know what I need to do, what I want to do for the day, and then giving myself strength around that, um, and then just taking a moment and going for it. Um, yeah, enjoying the sun while it's there for the day. It's really stunning. Show you a little bit of everything. Oh, there's beautiful hills everywhere. Really nice.